p is being added by 5, so I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides because 5 and negative 5 make 0. On the left side, I have p, and on the right side, 15 minus 5 is 10. X is being multiplied by 2 and added by negative 3. I'm going to add 3 to both sides because negative 3 and 3 make 0. On the left side I have 2x, and on the right side I have 11 plus 3 is 14. I know that 2x equals 14, but I want to find out what does 1x equal. 2x divided by 2 is x, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. G is being subtracted by 6, so I'm going to do the inverse and add 6 to both sides because negative 6 and 6 make 0. On the left side I have G, on the right side negative 4 and positive 6. That's 4 negatives and 6 positives. Gives me 4 zero pairs and 2 positives. Number 6. I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides because 2 and negative 2 make 0. On the left side I have negative 3x equals 9. Now I don't want this negative 3x, so I'm going to change the sign of both sides. I have 3x equals negative 9. I want to know what 1x is, so I'm going to divide both sides by 3. I end up with x equals negative 3. Number 7, x is being added by 4, so I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides because 4 and negative 4 make 0. On the left side of the equation I have x, and on the right I have 11 minus 4 is 7. This time x is on the right side of the equation, but that's okay. We can do it the same way. X is being multiplied by 2, and its sign changed, and then being subtracted by 2. So first I'm going to deal with this subtracting 2 by adding 2 to both sides of the equation, because negative 2 and 2 make 0. Oops, sorry. Which leaves me with on the right side of the equation I have negative 2x. On the right side of the equation I have negative 12 plus 2 is negative 10. This time I'm going to divide both sides by 2, which gives me negative x is equal to negative 5. Now if negative x is equal to negative 5, I can change the sign of both. I get x equals 5. X is being multiplied by 2 and then subtracted by 9, so I'm going to add 9 because 9 is the inverse of subtraction. I need to add 9 to both sides because this is equation. On the left side I have 2x equals negative 1 plus 9, that's 1 negative and 9 positives. So it makes 1 zero pair and I have 8 positives left over. I'm going to divide both sides by 2 and get x is equal to 4. Last one, x is being multiplied by negative 4 and added by 3. To get rid of this positive 3, I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides because 3 and negative 3 make 0. On the left side I end up with negative 4x, and on the right side 15 minus 3 is 12. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 4. negative x is equal to 3. And then change the sign of both. So I have x equals